Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Here are the Google Pixel 10's latest leaks, new upgrades, top features, launch date, and the latest prices of the smartphone. According to the latest available data, Google's Pixel 10 is set to launch with new AI tools, improved cameras, and competitive pricing. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Google's Pixel series has evolved from an experimental concept into a reliable smartphone lineup over the past decade. As we await the Pixel 10 series lineup expected later this year, leaks and rumors are offering a clearer picture of what's to come. A recent sighting by ex-user MarksGonePublic revealed a commercial shoot for the Pixel 10, hinting at its features and design. While the phone wasn't fully visible, the appearance of a video team suggests a well-progressed launch. The Pixel 10 is expected to come in several models, including the base Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pro XL, and possibly a Pixel 10 Pro Fold. A Pixel 10a may also arrive in 2026 for a mid-year refresh. Number 1. Powerful processor. The Pixel 10 will be powered by the new Tensor G5 chip, an upgrade from previous versions. Number 2. Incredible performance. Tensor chips are known for delivering smooth, reliable user experiences, with an emphasis on AI-driven features like image processing and voice recognition. The new Google Pixel 10 line will get a massive performance booster with new chipset and higher memory. Number 3. Camera upgrades. Leaked renders show the base Pixel 10 will feature a third lens, a telephoto camera, and enhanced zoom. However, the wide and ultra-wide lenses will drop to 48 megapixels and 13 megapixels respectively. The Pro models will retain the 50 megapixels, plus 48 megapixels, plus 48 megapixels setup, with the Pro Fold getting a camera sensor upgrade to 50 megapixels for the main sensor. Number 4. AI features and new tools. AI will be a central feature of the Pixel 10, with enhanced tools for image and video editing, as well as real-time language translation. The new Android XR augmented reality platform could also make an appearance. Number 5. New colors. Leaks suggest the Pixel 10 will come in obsidian black, iris purple, limoncello yellow, and blue for the base model, with the Pro models offering obsidian, green, sterling gray, and porcelain white. Number 6. Pricing and availability. The Pixel 10 is expected to start at $799, with the Pixel 10 Pro priced at $999. The Pro XL will cost around $1,200, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold may drop to $1,599 from its predecessor's $1,799 price tag. Google's Pixel 10 is set to launch in August with new AI tools, improved cameras, and competitive pricing. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.